To get started with trading on Kraken Pro, first create an account on the Kraken website and go through the verification process. Once your account is verified, log in and navigate to the Kraken Pro section. Kraken Pro is a professional trading platform that offers advanced features and tools for experienced traders. Here you will find a wide range of cryptocurrencies and traditional assets to trade. To place a trade, select the asset you want to trade and the type of order you want to use. Kraken Pro offers several types of orders, including market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order will execute immediately at the current market price, while a limit order will execute at a specified price. Use the order form to enter the details of your trade, including the quantity and price. Make sure to review your order carefully before submitting it, as trades on Kraken Pro are executed quickly and cannot be cancelled. In addition to placing trades, Kraken Pro also offers a range of advanced features and tools, including charting and technical analysis tools, real-time market data, and alerts and notifications. These features can help you make more informed trading decisions and stay up to date with market developments. To manage your risk and maximize your returns, it is essential to use proper risk management techniques, such as setting stop-loss orders and position sizing. It is also important to stay informed about market developments and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. By following these steps and using the advanced features and tools offered by Kraken Pro, you can trade with confidence and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always trade responsibly and within your means, and never risk more than you can afford to lose.